Hello, this is Akshara Priyadarshi from Karunya University register number UR15CS307, and I'm doing this video to explain you about my 8th experiment in my data structures lab. So my 8th experiment was about hashing. So here I had to implement a hashing function and also resolve the collision problem in that. And for checking whether the problem is correct or not, I had to input these values so that I could get verified whether my program is working properly or not. So let's start. Here I'm starting normally as other C++ program with hash include iostream using namespace, which will conclude all the header file, which includes header file having necessary functions of C++ and also cout cin functions in this. Now I'm declaring an array of size 50, like maximum how many will put. We should have set that much patience. And other variables like I and n for various uses. Now I'm creating a function to insert the elements. Okay. Now here to insert the element, we need to have the position set for the data, right? So in hashing, the position is checked by data percentile n. N is nothing but the size of the array, or the where we are going to put the data in the hash table. Size of the hash table is n. So this will give the remainder of the like e- remainder of the data by this one size, which will be stored in this position, and then this position in array of that position, it will be, if it is minus minus 1, then it will be stored, the data will be stored at that position. Otherwise the position of the data will be increased by 1 and then stored if it is free. I'll tell you how. I And then if if the table has no more room for any other data, if the table has no more room for any other data, then it will show us full. And then for displaying, we are displaying using the for loop. It will continuously run until we've displayed all the elements, and then here through this we'll display. Now for searching, we'll first enter the element which will be stored here. Okay, and then this will just uh, continuously run in the hash table for and compare all the elements with this element, and if the element is found, it will show this one and the element's position. Otherwise it will show element not found. So yeah, in the main function I'm asking for the size of this stack table, sorry, hash table. Then I'm putting all the values, storing it in an array using this for loop. Then I'm giving a menu driven option, for insertion, deletion and display. So let's run and check the program. So according to the question, okay, yeah, according to the question, I need to insert the values. The size should be 10, right? So I'll just make the size as 10. Size of the table should be 10. Now let us insert 5, insert, insert 7, insert, insert 9, insert, insert 10, and then again insert, insert 29, insert 1, then insert 2, insert 3, insert 66, insert 88. In so here with this 88 we have already entered 10 elements. Let us check whether we can enter the 11th element or not. Insert 99. So the hash table is full. Now if we want to insert anything else, it will show us hash table is full. Now let's display what we have got. So as you can see here, we have got this table as 10, 29, 1, 2, 3, 5, 66, 7, 88 and 9. This is stored in this order. So now let me explain you. See, here it was 5. So if we divide it by maximum size of the array, that is 10, then the remainder will be 5. So let's check the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's in the 5th position. Similarly for 7, it will be in the 7th position. In 9, it will be in the 9th position. And then 10, 10 divided by 10 is 0, so it's in the 0th position. Then 29 in the first position, 1. This 29 is in the first position because the 9th position was already filled and 0th position was already also filled. So it had to find a space after these two. So it goes to 29. Then if you press 1, then first position is already filled, so it will go in position 2. Then 2 will be going to position 3, 3 will be going to position 4, 66, remainder is 6. So it's going in its own position because the 6th position was empty, and then 88. So 88 also goes in the 8th position as the 8th position was empty. Now in the end we press 99, so 99 is nowhere found because the size was 10 and we have 10 elements. This 2 was option of this one. So now let's search the element. So let's search 29. So element is at position 1, you can see here. Now let's search 35. 35 is nowhere found in the table, so it should show element not found. So here my program is working properly and perfectly. So thank you.